I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching my latest videos that came out this week and the week before. I'm really starting to get in the loop of this and trying to make a video daily based on my daily trades, and I'll be making a weekly recap if I don't get time, and I'll definitely be releasing a video Saturday or Sunday, or maybe even Friday night when I get the chance. So first of all, I just want to say sorry for all the audio like breakout and the like high pitched voice. My voice doesn't sound like that. It's been really weird. I've been using QuickTime, and then when I compress the video and export it, for some reason YouTube auto adjusts the volume on there and then does weird stuff. So alright, so anyways, let's put that aside. So today I got a video for you. I'm going to be talking about one of my long-term investments. So this is going to be a swing trade and a long-term investment. It's not going to be a day trade. Can be if you want, but it's going to be a swing trade. Let's say like about a week or so, or a long-term investment for a month or even longer. So I can't really tell you when to take profits on this or when to get in, but I'm going to show you my evaluation on this and why I'm going to be getting in, where I am, and what my profit target is going to be. Like my previous videos, I tell you my profit target, and so far I've been reaching it, or I get close and I take profit, and that's it for the day. I get off and enjoy the day. So let's take a look at the stock over here. I want to talk about Alibaba stock over here. That's BABA. That's the ticker. Alright, so today, let's go back to SBY over here. That's one of the big market stocks. Shows you how it's moving relatively. As you can see over here, it's dropped a lot, down to 254 all the way from 257, 258 from last week. So as I've been talking from Thursday or Friday last week, that markets are gonna drop, and as expected, they did drop. So they're going to be dropping. I'm still going to follow my 2 to 3 day rule and Friday rule, as I said in my last video today. So let's go back over to the BABA over here. Alright, so this dropped like a lot. So let's go look at the 10 days. Let that load up over here. So look, as you can see, the high right here was 185, and let's get rid of all of these drawings over here. Let's just look at the chart by itself. Alright, so let's zoom out even more, 30 days. Alright, as you can see, it's gone up over here, 180s, and then it came down to about 166, and I didn't get in before. I got in like at 170, and then it dropped to 169. I thought it was going to keep going lower. And then the breakout happened, and I didn't have all this Thinkorswim before. I just got it recently, so it just broke out to 185, and I was like, I'm not even going to bother getting in because I don't know what's going to happen with this. It's going to go up, go down. I focus on other trades. So let's zoom out even more here. Let's look at the 180 days. Alright, so as you can see, you can tell how it's going up because the new lows are higher than the previous lows. So this is the low right here, low right here, low here, a low here, a low here. Just dipped a little and then came back up. It's not too far off, maybe like 50 cents to $1, so it's not bad. A low here, one here, and the new one coming over here. So let's zoom in over here. As you can see, the low right here was 169 something, and low here was 167. So as you can see, if you draw a trend line, you can do that on Thinkorswim or anything you use. Just draw a line straight up. You tell me, when you look at this chart, is this going up or down? Obviously it's going up, right? So look at the lows on this. So my evaluation on this, before even going into specifics on this, I would get in, let's go back to the 1 year. I would get in anywhere in the low 170s. I'm talking like around 170, maybe even 169 or 168 if it gets there, but I don't think so. I don't think it will drop below 169.50 at the least, maybe a little less. That's where I would get in. That's the low of the low. All right, because you want to look at the previous low. It was 167 something. So next one's going to be like a couple dollars up, 168, 169, maybe not even less than 170. So that's where I would get in right now. No, sorry, not right now, but in the future, because I'm following my 2 to 3 day rule and Friday rule. So I'm gonna wait till Friday, see how this goes. If it starts shooting up, I see 172, 173 like that, I'm gonna get in. But I want this cup and handle formation to come in. So what that does is, right here, that means it dips below, goes up a little, and it comes down a little, consolidates, and then it shoots up. That's smooth sailing right there, right here, and right over here. It's a smooth sailing. You once you're in this range right here, you get in right over here. It's smooth sailing. You just hold it, go up, and take profits whenever you want. All right, so my valuation would be that I would get in around. Let's zoom in a little. I would get in once it starts going up. Looks like it's already consolidating a little, but markets are still going to drop. I would get in like around 171 to 172, and once it starts going up, it's just smooth sailing from there. I would take profits. I don't know if it go to 180 within a week, but I would say like 174, 175, and it'll probably drop a little to 173 and then go back up. But the big thing on this is, if you look at it over here, let's type it over here. It's got earnings coming up November 2nd. That would be, let me check over here. November 2nd is next Thursday. Today is Wednesday, so within a week. And I think that is, yeah, pre-market, so before market even opens. So this has really good news and really good expectations. That's why this is going to be a long-term and a swing trade. So it's going to be a swing trade on my day trading account and a long-term on my Robinhood account. All right, and the reason I do that is because swing trades, you got to be in and out, and day trades, you got to be in and out quick. So looking at the charts, that's my evaluation on there. Let's look at the news. Let's look at the technicals. This is a good site that I found. I put it in reader mode, so it's easy. I'm using Mac, Safari. So just I'll put this link in the description. As you can see, they have really good sales. Alright, they have like 7.78 billion from the current year, and estimates ranging from 34 to 36. And analysts say that's high of like 47 area billions per share. Alright, so they have 0.9 for earnings per share for the quarter. That's their evaluation. Oh, so sorry, the rest for August. And the next one is going to be about 0.73, so it's going to be about 28%, 28.77% return on the equity. So as you can read through the articles, if you don't understand any terms, just look it up. But as you can see, that's a big bold word right there. Strong buy rating, so a buy rating. So they came down from a strong buy to a buy. That's why it dropped, and it also dropped because the market came down, because it would usually drop about 173 right there, but as you can see, it came down more due to the markets dropping, and it went from a strong buy to a buy. So just look up on earning predictions and price target predictions and volume and how many sales they had. Look into the company. I believe you can do that on here. You can go and analyze, and if you type in a stock right there, yep, it shows you earning per share, return on equity, long term, depth of capital, price per earnings ratio. So this is really good. As you can see, on this came down to hold, and on this came down to buy, and this is a big. These two are big ones that I use: the Street, Market Edge. As you can see, long term, and you can see that's buy. So that's why I'm telling you this is long term and a swing trade, because swing trade, you take profits in like a week or two, or little more, little less, give or take. Long term is like weeks to months, maybe even years, maybe even forever. So that's a really good one. If you do hold long term, just make sure to add on the dips and just hold it, because this is a really good stock. And if you are swing trading, take profit when you're comfortable. Don't wait for that drop to come in and go back up. Take profit here, buy here, and sell here. Alright, so this is my long-term and swing trading investment. I'm going to be telling you guys when I get in, and tell you maybe how many shares I got in, and if I'm swing trading or investing, or maybe even both, or just day trading it. Alright, so that's it for this one. I'm going to be doing more like this. I'll be doing more swing trade calls and long-term investment calls. And the next video, I'm waiting for the market to drop a little more and find the bottom, waiting for them to bottom out so that I can get into ETFs. And let's take a preview of that. So one of the good ones is VWO. This is Emerging Markets ETF by Vanguard. It's one of the biggest ETF seller. So what they do is they buy like really big growing stocks, and you can see in the analyze section what stocks they have. Alright, so this is really good. They have dips, but they always recover. They're always higher than the previous dip. So just, if you're going a long term on this, you buy in the dips. If you're swing trading, buy low, sell high. So this has been really good. Let's look at the 180 days, take a closer look. As you can see, recently it's just been growing really fast on this, and yearly it's been going really fast. So January this year it was 35, let's say 35 to 36, and now it's 45 high. So that's about 7 to 8, let's be safe to say. It's $7 to $8 per share increase. So you own 100 shares. That's $700 to $800 per year just by letting the money sit in there. But it's a safe ETF. It's a growing emerging markets ETF. So I'm going to be going into more like this, and I'm going to be showing you which ones I'm going to be getting in. I'm not going to be showing all of them. I'm just going to be showing a couple. Because you got to do your own research and see what's good for you. There's also ones that go up really fast and really fast down, but they always have uptrend. As you can see here, this was 65-ish, and right now it's 123, so it's almost double. So you put in like $10,000, you're doubling your money in 1 year, and it's still gonna go up because it's only what, like October now, almost November. So that's it. So let's go back here. So I'm going to be, let's do a recap. I'm going to be getting around 171 to 172. If it drops any more, I'll add it here, and then I'll add more when it starts going up. And profit target will be around 175, 176 on a swing trade, and 180 plus on long-term investment. This might even reach 200 after earnings if it's good. Read up on this. I'll put this in the link. Alright guys, so let's make money, and let's see this shoot up to 200 by the end of the year if you're going long, and let's see 175 within a couple weeks. Alright, so be careful with earnings. Make sure you have a stop loss, make sure you have a profit target, entry and exit all set up before you even look at it. Alright, so read the charts, and I got more videos coming up. Thanks for watching guys. Take care. Bye.